Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. Our blog for today is about a jewelry Swarovski jewelry review. Look at this. This is my project. This is my creation, self-handmade by Raftelsa. So I'm gonna show you guys my previous project. So this is made already more than 5 years. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, this is one set. This one is a necklace. This is made of pearl and Swarovski crystals. This is the necklace. And this one is a bracelet here. And the matching is the earrings, okay? And this is the box, okay? Before I am producing or I am manufacturing different styles of fashion accessories, especially the Swarovski, that is my business, okay? So this is the packaging, this is the box. So when I am selling, it is a set of composed of earrings, bracelet, necklace, and also with ring, okay? And this is the box. So I have to put inside the box in order to look beautiful and presentable, okay? So that the customer will be more attracted when it is put in the beautiful box, okay? So this is one set, okay? This is the box, guys, okay? Look. So I'm gonna show you first the earring, okay? This earring is made of pearl, the crystals, look at here, and this is the hook. This is real Swarovski crystals, and this is original pearl. So if you want to learn how to create fashion accessories, check out my tutorials. Click my playlist, Beadworks tutorials, and you can find all my live tutorials. Okay guys, so this one. So our blog for today is just a review, okay, of my product, of my creation. So I'm gonna show you how I wear it, this one. Okay, this is the earring, look. In the other side, I am wearing only from one side my real gold. Look at this different design. One from the top, small ring, and the other one with this big round flat. This is the fashion, only one piece. This is really design only one piece, so that is why I have only one piece. So in the other side, I am always wearing another earrings, especially I am making my own creation, so I did as a model for my own creation. So one from here, okay, and this one, so we will just put it here, okay, para siyang so that it will be matching, okay, will be matching. And this is the bracelet, okay guys, look at this. This is original pearl and crystal. So we will count how many crystal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 crystals, and the pearl 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And this is the lock, okay, the lock. This one is made of pearl and Swarovski crystal. Look at this, okay? So I'm going to wear it in my left hand. Look at this, okay? Here, okay? We will just uh, open this one. I will show you. Just simply press this one and it will unlock. Look, it will unlock. And I'm going to show you. I will show you how to wear it, okay? Just a moment, guys. I will wear this one. Look, just a moment, because it's hard for me to wear it. Medyo matagal lang konti, guys. Saglit lang. Just a moment, okay? I will so look, guys, this one, okay? So never mind. So just like that, okay? This is the bracelet and the necklace. Look at, guys, the necklace is made of, this is the fishing twine, this one, and this is the lock, this is the ring, and this one is composed of pearl, and in between alternate pearl and the crystals, okay, alternate. And when you are going to wear this one, it is like invisible because it's like hanging this one, because this one is transparent nylon twine. So this is the design. So I'm going to show you. So this is only like a dog tie. So look at, guys. So you cannot see anymore the nylon twine because it is invisible, okay, because it is transparent. So that is the design, and this is the partner, okay? So I hope, guys, you like this jewelry review, pearl and crystal, Swarovski crystal, made by Rafthelsavlogs. So if you like this jewelry review, just give it a thumbs up, share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to create fashion accessories. So just check my playlist, Beadworks tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. So I hope if you like this project. So if you want to buy my creation, just comment down below and you can send me a message in Messenger. Sal Glover. I want to sell my uh, creations because I have more accessories here and I want to dispose because I want to have money, because I want to purchase a new items or new materials so that I can make another new materials and I will make a new project. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Look at this. Oh, very presentable, especially if you're wearing gown, especially you're wearing white. Look at this. And crystals and pearl are the best accessories for party, for special occasion. Look at this. Okay, so nagmo-model po ako ng aking mga accessories. So, I will tell you the story about how I learned beadworks. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next product review for my handmade accessories. Ciao, bye-bye.